That's on the second touch. Baldo from the back. Couldn't score.
On the second hit there, nice read by the Philippines.
Back is off the block. Ball doesn't fall. And attack not over.
Ito nga, sinasabi mo nga kanina na Malaysia is making it easy for us to get this first set, giving us, just handing points via their unforced errors. 2011, ganda tong first set natin. Maganda ang pinapakita ng Pilipinas. Ang ating kaliweting kapitan.
Morado goes cross-court. Rachel Danis puts it down. And the ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Humboldt. They're ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
And this is something we want to see Rachel Danis doing more of. Medyo kahapon, yun na nga eh. Siguro si Rachel also was still looking for her rhythm. We didn't see too much of her yesterday.
And we will come back. And Malaysia definitely looking to re-strategize. We've seen some good executions.
We aren't giving Malaysia much of a chance really to set up and show their offensive plays. Kasi puro patay ang nanggagaling sa atin. And the blockers of Malaysia are working hard. They're trying to challenge our girls.
Well, tinan mo naman, bumagsak na yung Rachel Danis. Maganda pa rin.
Ikaw na nagsabi ng James. At wala namang kokontra. And talaga, the poster girl of Philippine volleyball. It's so nice to see her here. Just really, siya alam niya siyang energizer bunny for the team. Keeping the morale up all the time.
Of course, Rachel Danis, the finals MVP ng nakarang Philippine Super League All-Filipino Conference.
It's nice defense. Malaysia is showing just really the place, but this time around, si Dindin Santiago naman nag-magic nun, ha?
And Gia Morado, the smiling assassin, I call her.
Right. Bea De Leon is coming in to play, and of course we have Gretchen Sorcones. We're seeing action for the first time coming in at the serve. We know about her serve.
Super serve. Tawag nga ni Sir Seb Sarmenta kay Gretzel, slingshot Sorcones.
Yun, no? Pride of Basti.
The Lady Beast serves it up. The push doesn't work. Gonzaga receives. But Valdez is blocked.
Wow.
And Malaysia will score. And that block brought to you by Smart Live More.
And all of the effort coming from the Malaysian team finally, paying off. Great timing. Actually,
not over.
Oo. Magandang umpisa para kay Eliza kanina. She strung up a couple of points there, but she's been quiet in the past. So we want to see her make her moves here. Maybe in the second set. This looks like it's going to be ours. The first set, 23-13. Mahihirapan ng Malaysia dito.
Bea De Leon on deck to serve para sa Team Pilipinas. 23 serving 13. Just within 2 points of taking set number 1.
Ito pa, one of the babies here in the team, one of the younger players. No? It's great for her to get all this international exposure early on.
Off-speed attack. Doesn't work. Babalik na Pilipinas sa bola. And that one is good para sa Malaysia.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, finally Malaysia was given a chance to set up and take advantage of that free ball, and they did.
And Elaine Lee. Natulungan pa ng net ng konti.
Natulungan ng net. And yan din ang talagang hanga kay Gia Morado eh. Napakasipag na setter. She will go up there for that block.
Cook Si Teng serves it up. Oh!
Held outside by the lines judge. Lucky break for Malaysia.
Would have been a booming kill if it went in.
Still, Philippines just 2 points away from taking this first set. So we're in a good position here. Wag lang makampante, James.
Service again, Cook Si Teng para di sa Malaysia, player number 1. And Jaja Santiago with a hammer.
Talaga naman di Santiago is really showing off. Ganyan talaga eh. That's the trajectory you will get if you're 6'5" and you jump that high with perfect timing like Jaja.
And Ultra Fast Bike brought to you by PLDT Humboldt and Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. One of the prettiest plays you can see in volleyball. So here it's a set point in set number 1.
Chance for Malaysia here. Here we go.
Joust at the top. Kombinasyon para sa Malaysia. Napantayan. And the double block works as we take set number 1.
That was a relatively easy set for the Philippines. They showed a lot of good offensive plays, but we got to watch out for our services. We have to take away those service errors for the second set, James.
Set number 2 in just a moment.